Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see about standard 6th subject Sanskrit in the first chapter by the name Chitrapadani. Here we are going to see Chitrapadani from 1 to 4. Words through pictures 1 to 4. We are going to see the workbook fill up of Chitrapadani. The very first question is, for each of the given questions, choose the options that is its correct answer and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First MCQ is, they have shown a picture and from that picture we have to identify the name in Sanskrit. So, very first question is, which is the animal in this picture? Which is the animal in this picture? And the answer is B. Vrushabha. B. Vrushabha. Second one, which is the animal? Which is the animal in this picture? And the answer is C. Gardhabha. C. Gardhabha. Third picture is of a sheep and they have asked a question, which is the animal in this picture? Which is the animal in this picture? And the answer is C. Meshah. C. Meshah. Fourth picture, they have shown us a fourth picture of mongoose. So, which is the animal in this picture? And the answer is A. Nakulah. A. Nakulah. Fifth picture is of a crow. So, they have asked a question, which is the bird in this picture? Which is the bird in this picture? And the answer is B. Kakah. B. Kakah. Sixth one, which is the animal in this picture? Which is the animal in this picture? And the answer is B. Mandukah. B. Mandukah. Seventh one, which is the bird in this picture? Which is the bird in this picture? And the answer is C. Chataka. C. Chataka. In eighth picture, they have shown us mud stove and they have asked a question, what is seen? What is seen in this picture? And the answer is D. Chulli. D. Chulli. 9 number, flower vase is there and flower pot is there. So, they are asking a question, what is seen in this picture? What is seen in this picture? So, answer is C. Puspa Dhani. C. Puspa Dhani. 10 number, what is seen in this picture? What is seen in this picture? And the answer is A. Shivan Yantram. Shivan Yantram. 11 number, what is seen in this picture? What is seen in this picture? And the answer is B. Vimanam. B. Vimanam. 12 number, what is seen in this picture? What is seen in this picture? And the answer is D. Krishna Falakam. D. Krishna Falakam. Now, 13 number picture is of a bullock cart. So, they are asking a question, what is seen in this picture? So, the answer is C. Satakam. C. Sakatam. 14 number picture in which pencil is there. So, they have asked a question, what is seen in this picture? So, the answer is C. Ankini. C. Ankini. So, 15 number, in that file is there and they have asked a question, what is seen in this picture? So, the answer is C. Sajjika. C. Sajjika. 16 number picture is of a switch and they have asked a question, what is seen in this picture? What is seen in this picture? And the answer is B. Pinjah. B. Pinjah. Now, let me move further for the second exercise in which they are telling us that find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. So, one Sanskrit word is given and in front of that word two options are given. We have to select the correct one. First one, Vrushabah. Vrushabah. So two options are given, sheep or bull. Sheep or bull. So the correct answer is B-U-L-L, bull. B-U-L-L, bull. Second one, Makarah. Makarah. So two options are given, crocodile and frog. Crocodile and frog. So the correct answer is crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Now next, third number, in which Satika. Satika, and two options are given. Trunk and sari. Trunk and sari. So the correct answer is S-A-R-I, sari. S-A-R-I, sari. Now fourth number is Utpithika. Utpithika, table or bench. So the correct answer is T-A-B-L-E, table. Fifth one, Urukam. Urukam. Two options are given, money and trouser. So the correct answer is trouser. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Sixth one, Sakatam. Two options are there, master and bullock cart. So the correct answer is B-U-L-L-O-C-K-C-A-R-T, cart, bullock cart. 7 number, Karadeepah. Karadeepah. Two options are there, dustbin and torch. So the correct answer is T-O-R-C-H, torch. 8 number, Pipilika. Pipilika. Two options are given, ant and bucket. So the correct answer is A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. Now third number, find out the Sanskrit meaning of the following English words from the given options and write. Third exercise is, we have to find out the true meaning of the Sanskrit word and we have to write down in a given space. First one, the Sanskrit meaning of the word flower vase is, so the answer is D, Pushpadhani. Pushpadhani. Second one, the Sanskrit meaning of the word ant is C, Pipilika. C, Pipilika. Third, the Sanskrit meaning of the word frog is D, Mandukah. D, Mandukah. Fourth, the Sanskrit meaning of the word garlic is C, Lasunam. C, Lasunam. Fifth one, the Sanskrit meaning of the word spoon is B, Chamasah. B, Chamasah. Now write exercise number 4. Write the masculine word ending in A from the following words. So we have to find out the ending A masculine word. So the word which is having ending sound A and it should be masculine. So first one, the answer is B, Mayurah. A. You can see that A is a ending sound. Mayurah. So Mayur is the correct answer. Second one, in that Ghatah. Ghatah is the correct answer. Fifth exercise, write the feminine words ending in A from the following words. First one, in that Lata. Lata. You can see the ending sound is A. Second one, Kunchika. Kunchika. So the ending sound is A. And Kunchika means keys. So it is also feminine gender. Now sixth number exercise. Write the neuter words ending in A from the following words. First one is Pustakam. Pustakam. And second answer is C, Krishna Falakam. Krishna Falakam. 7 number exercise, in which write the feminine words ending in E from the following words. So we have to find out the feminine word which ends with E sound. So Droni. D, Droni is the correct answer. And Second one, Nadi is the correct answer. Now exercise number 8. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. This is a snake. Eshah sarpah. Second, this is an ink pot. Etat mashi ghati. Third one, this is a plate. Esha sthalika. Fourth one, this is a piece of jewelry. Etat ratnam. Fifth one, this is a switch. Etat pinjah. Now, here we have seen Chitrapadani of standard 6. Workbook fill up. Now you may note down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.